Okay, so let's unbox Galaxy Buds 4. So inside the box we can find quick start guide and the warranty card. There's no ear tips, cable or power adapter. There's nothing here. So this is how the charging case looks. On the front in this cover you can find shiny plastic. The rest of the case is made out of the matte plastic, so when you touch it, there's no any fingerprints. On the back, USB-C port with a pairing and reset button. On the front, Samsung logo with LED indicator. Let's check for a wireless charging. Yes, it's supported. And earbuds just like this. First of all, we can find the microphone for ambient sound. Over here, we can find a touch sensor. This is the aluminum part. This is the plastic part. This dot is actually the proximity sensor. There's the another microphone for the noise cancellation. Over here you can find another microphone for the phone calls, charging pins, marking. This one looks the same. They're pretty similar to the AirPods 4. And if you have a Samsung device, all you have to do is just to select them from available devices list. When you turn on Bluetooth, you don't even have to enable the pairing mode. And on the Samsung devices, you don't have to download the Galaxy wearable application. You have to accept everything, and now we can find quick guide, and the settings are available just by clicking here. So as you can see, first of all, we can find battery level of both earbuds and the charging case. Over here, we can find the ambient sound, adaptive sound, and active noise cancellation. We can also use ambient sound during the phone calls. Here we can find the earbud controls. So what we can do with the media, we can play and pause, we can turn next track, previous track, and we can control volume level by swiping up and down. We can also manage those controls by turning them off. For the left and the right one, for pinch and hold control, we can switch noise controls, we can wake the voice assistant, or we can open application. We can also answer call or end call and decline call by pinching and holding. Next, we can also find the voice control. So over here we can get that assistant or voice wake up for Bixby. There's also the head gestures. So what we can do, we can yes or accept or no or decline when you are using the Bixby or for example for incoming calls. So almost the same like with 4 Pro. Here we can find the sound quality. Also there is 360 audio with the head tracking. We can find a sound equalizer with 6 default presets and then with the custom one. There's also the loudness normalization, up sound settings, adjust sound to fit, and in the advanced quality options, there's the UHQ, audio and super wideband speech. Now when you go back, we can find manage connections. So for calls, for audio, seamless earbud connection, auto switch buds for other Galaxy devices, reset option. In the advanced features, we can find read notifications allowed, in-ear detection, neck stretch reminders. There's the gaming mode for low latency. In the accessibility, we can set balance between the left and the right one. There's also the noise controls with one earbud. And here we can also find them thanks to the Samsung Find. We can also create audio broadcast. We can update software, and also it's supported to use a single earbud. So if you want to listen with a single earbud or talk with a single earbud, you will have to put the left one into the case, then the right or the left one put into your ears and close the charging case. And this is all features that you can find on this earbuds. Thanks for watching.